Hello viewers, you are welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous videos. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to wire a photocell to light a lamp. Okay, so I have my main switch, then I have the photocell, I have my lamp holder, and then the lamp. Okay, the photocell works in a way that when darkness falls on this part, the light comes on. When it is day and the light falls on it, then the lamp has to go off. Follow me closely as I teach you how to do that. Okay, so before we go to the practical, I just want to show you how the whole thing looks like. Okay, so in the drawing, this is how the photocell is represented. At the photocell, we have three terminals. And then we have a terminal marked N. The N is for neutral. So the intake from the distribution board comes to the neutral terminal, and the same neutral is looped to one terminal of the lamp holder. Lamp holders, they don't have terminal marking, so you can connect your live or your switch wire to any terminal. It doesn't matter, except that you have a lamp or a lamp holder with a terminal marking. Then you should ensure that the blue wire, which is the neutral, goes to the terminal marked N, and then your switch wire, which is live, goes to the terminal marked L. Other than that, if you have a normal lamp holder, you can connect live or neutral to any of the terminals. And then mind you, some of the lamp holders also have three terminals. The one at the middle is usually for 8. Okay, so let's come to the photocell. The photocell, as I said, we have terminals, terminal markings N, L, and then LO. Okay, so we have talked about the neutral already. Now, the live wire that comes from the main switch, and if you are doing this on your own from a main switch or a distribution board, then this line would be taken from a 6-amp breaker from the distribution board or a 5-amp fuse from the distribution board. So the live wire that is taken from the distribution board connects to the terminal marked L on the photocell, and then the terminal marked LO is taken straight to the lamp or to the lamp holder. Alright, so that is what is marked switch wire. There are a few things you should know when wiring. We have different cable with different colors. Okay, so every color has its own function. You can't use the colors anyhow. So in the wiring or in the circuit that we'll be doing after this explanation, all the blue wires are used for neutral, and then all the brown wires are used for live. Okay, so the live from the distribution board to the photocell is brown. The wire from the photocell to the lamp is also brown. Then the neutral wire from the distribution board to the photocell is blue, and then from the same terminal to the lamp is also blue. Alright, let's go to the practical and then look at how wire a photocell to light a lamp. If darkness falls on the photocell, the light comes. If it is daytime and the light falls on the photocell, then it goes off. Thank you very much for watching. I believe you enjoyed the video. Keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.